pile. Week 3, not much to tell. We've done heaps, but it was more on the personal line rather than something we want to share. We spent 4 nights with our good friends Peter and Kay at their property, and they were kind enough to show us around some of the wonderful towns close by. We had lunch at a small little cafe. We did some maintenance on the caravan. That's probably not so personal. We installed, Gary bought a blackjack. What's that thing called? Blackjack. He installed a blackjack. Action.
Here we are, putting it on. No more winding. That's it, we're done.
And also our front door at our caravan was coming away, so that sort of got a temporary fix until we put it in for repair. Oh yeah, like that. Yeah. Friday, Saturday and Sunday we moved on to Chinchilla Weir. It's an absolutely beautiful place. Maybe 8 different campsites that you can have power, and there's meant to be a 48-hour stay, and nobody's budging. So we're not on power, but we've got a nice sunny spot, and we meant, as I said, we've stayed for 3 days too, so I guess we can't say nothing. We went into Chinchilla, spent a lot of money in there, supported the town, needed new gas, got some fuel. It's interesting though, on Sunday there's no shops open. It's like the olden days. It's fantastic. You go to town and everything's closed except the bottle shop. Obviously people need their grog on a Sunday. We also happened to be here at the right time, and Chinchilla had a monthly market at the showgrounds, and we were able to buy some gifts and bits and pieces there. And you know what was really nice to see? These days you're not allowed to do anything because someone's always out there complaining, but they had animals there for sale. They had chickens and ducks and dogs and cats, and it was so cute. It was just so cute to see, and all the kids around there looking at them, and it was just beautiful, even the big kids. It was just lovely. It was just really nice to see. And if there had been one grey cat there, I reckon I would have bought it to bring it home with me, but there wasn't a grey one, so I guess Gary was lucky. Anyway, that's basically it. 3 nights here at Chinchilla Weir, 4 nights at our friends. So it's been a great week for us, but not one with a lot of content. So I'll put little bits and pieces in here, and that's it. And there's the man again. He always seems to come in just at the right time.
The driver.
There's Gary just relaxing by the caravan.